Do you fear that your hair transplant or your hair transplant doctor may not be able to give you a great hairline and a great result? Are you one of them? So you really need to see this video. My name is Dr. Amit. I'm a plastic surgeon and I have an extensive experience with hair transplant procedures. Now I want to take you to this picture. Now most people recognize this gentleman, Salman Khan, and most people know he's had a hair transplant done. Now this gentleman is a friend of mine and he wanted a hairline very similar to Salman Khan. Now I did procedures on him and you can see it is an identical copy of what Mr. Salman Khan has. So a well planned out hair transplant can give amazing results and beautiful looking hairlines. Let's come here. So look at this gentleman. Now when we design hair transplant hairlines, we take into account the age of a person, the facial structure, the extent of baldness, the quality of his hair, his profession. That's very important for me at least. You look at this, you see the amazing transformation and the perfectly natural looks which a hair transplant can give. This gentleman is a friend of mine, again very close friend of mine, and you see the life transforming appearance that this young man has had after a transplant. So don't fear a transplant. You will really love the results if you get your hair transplant done by a qualified plastic surgeon. So if you want to get in touch with me, you can contact me or WhatsApp me on 9999972949. And if this video has attracted you just a little bit, do subscribe to my YouTube channel.